The next feature of democracy is a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. It means those ruling party in its power have a fair chance of losing. Relating to these features, I will explain you a story those given in your book. In every country, elections should be free and fair manner. In China, elections are regularly held after 5 years for electing the country parliament, and this country parliament name is known as National People Congress, and the People Congress has the power to appoint the president of the country, and the total member is 3000, and these 3000 members elected from all over the China. But here is that these members, before consenting election a candidate, need the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. It means to be a part of it, candidate needs the approval the Chinese Communist Party. In short word, in China, the election do not offer people any choice. They have to choose the ruling party and the candidate approved by it. Because in China, only a one party, and you again and again you have to choose only the same member. You have no any option. So this is not a free and fair election. And the next story has given in your book relating to Mexico. In Mexico, hold election after every 6 years to elect its president, and the country has never been under a military dictatorship or king or any other rule, but still only one party was won by a election, and this party name is party PRI. The full name is Institutional Revolution Party. Opposition party did contest election but never managed to win. It means the winning party is only PRI. The PRI used to many dirty tricks to win election. It means they are forced government officers had to attend this party meeting, and those are the government teachers. They used to force parents to vote for PRI. Even PRI media largely ignored the activity of opposition parties and criticized them. The PRI spent large sums of money in the campaign for its candidates, and polling booths were shifted from one place to another in the last minutes, which made it difficult for the people to cast their vote. It means in Mexico, the people seems to have a choice, option, but practically they did not have any choices. There was no way the ruling party could be defeated if the people were against to it. And the next feature of democracy is, in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote, and each vote must have one value. It means according to every person have to right to vote, and each vote has a one value. And the first important term is universal adult franchise. According to this, those person their age group is above 18, they have right to vote. But some country like Saudi Arabia, in Saudi Arabia until 2015, women did not have the right to vote. And the same thing in Estonia. In this country, those people who are relating to Russian minority, they did not get the right to vote. And the next is same Fiji. In Fiji, those people who are relating to the native people, yeah, you can say indigenous Fiji, it means they are the native people, their vote value is more than the others. It means if their vote value is, those person is native, their vote values is 1, and that second person, though are not relating to the Fiji, their vote value is half. But according to features of democracy, every person has one vote and each vote has a one value. It means these countries, Saudi Arabia, Estonia and Fiji, these are not a democratic country according to